Are you tired of spending all day at the salon waiting for your turn? Tired of painful retightening sessions, battling metal hooks and tools that snag and tear your hair? Well, my dear Lockstar, there is a better way. The original ouchless, snagless Instaloc hair tool for dreadlock maintenance is everything you need in one simple, easy-to-use accessory. It's specifically designed for working with locks and won't snag, tear, or damage your hair in any way. The long, flexible handle is perfect for when you need to tighten those hard-to-reach locks, and a large, specially designed eye helps you catch and lock the chunkiest or thinnest of your dreads. Cut your maintenance time in half. The original ouchless, snagless hair tool for frustration-free dreadlock maintenance is available now, free, for a limited time only through this special offer. But you must click the link now to grab yours. Just pay shipping and handling. Order now.